So for our problem number 3, we have queuing theory model 3, which is MD1. So yon, Speedy Pizza Delivery 5. One of Maria's experienced delivery drivers completes each delivery in exactly the same amount of time. Now, she wants to evaluate how a deterministic service time changes system performance. So, ito, she wants to know what is the probability that the delivery driver is busy, what is the average number of pizzas in the system, what is the average time a pizza spends in the system, what is the average number of pizzas waiting to be delivered, what is the average time waiting before delivery. So yon, ito yung data table natin. So yung M 1 pa din, yung lambda 8, and yung mu 10. So yon, next naman is Speedy Pizza Delivery 6. Maria now compares the total cost per shift under this more consistent delivery system. She wants to know what is the total cost per shift. So ito yung data table natin. Yung delivery driver cost per hour is 10, cost of waiting per pizza per hour is 12, and working hours per shift is 6. So sa next slide is yung solving naman, yung pag-solve natin. So for our model 3 naman is ito na. Ang given naman natin is M is equals to 1, lambda is equals to 8, and mu is equals to 10. So, ang unang kukunin natin dito is yung LQ, which is equals to lambda squared over 2 mu times mu minus lambda. So, yun. Substitute lang, 8 squared over 2 times 10 times 10 minus 8. So, nag-come up tayo sa sagot na 1.6. And next is WQ. So, yun. Same lang sila ng formula ng LQ, but tatanggalin lang yung squared dun sa lambda. So, lambda over 2 mu times mu minus lambda. So, substitute lang. And makukuha natin yung sagot na 0.2. And next is yung L is equals to LQ plus lambda over mu is equals to nakuha natin sa LQ is 1.6 plus lambda which is 8 and mu which is 10. So 1.6 plus 8 over 10 is equals to 2.4. Yeah. So W naman, nakuha natin sa WQ na 0.2. Ito muna, WQ plus 1 over mu. So yung WQ natin is 0.2 plus 1 over mu, which is 10. So 0.2 plus 1 over 10 is equals to 0.3. Yan. And yung sa probability naman natin is equals to lambda over mu, which is 8 over 10 is equals to 0.8. Tapos yung probability naman na walang deliver is 1 minus p is equals to 1 minus 0.8. Yun yung p natin, di ba? So, is equals to 0.2. Big sabihin yan, 0.2 or 20% yung chance na walang deliver. Ito naman, 80% yung chance na busy yung nagde-deliver or yung pizza delivery. So, yun. Kagaya lang din ng model 1 and model 2, kukunin lang natin yung total service cost, total waiting cost, and total cost. Yan. So first is yung given na service cost is 10, waiting cost is 12, and hours per shift is equals to 6. So ang una natin kukunin is TS per hour is equals to M, yung M natin which is 1 times service cost which is 10. So 1 times 10 is equals to 10. So TS per shift naman, TS per hour times yung R per shift, yon. So 6. So 10 times 6 is equals to 60. Ilalagay na natin dito sa total service cost na 10 and 60. So for total waiting cost naman per hour, ganun lang din, lambda times WQ times CW. So yung lambda natin dito ay 8 and yung WQ is 0.2. So yon, substitute lang, 8 times 0.2 times CW which is 12. So 8 times 0.2 times 12 is equals to 19.2. So, after nun, waiting cost naman, total waiting cost per shift naman. So, TW per hour times 6, which is 19.2 times 6 is equals to 115.2. So, lista lang ulit, 19.2 tas 115.2. So, total cost naman is total cost per hour and total cost per shift. Pag-add lang natin, 10 plus 19.2 is equals to 29.2. So, total cost per shift naman, 60 plus 115.2 is equals to 175.2. So, yun. Lilista lang natin dyan. And yun. That's it. Yun na. Okay.